Hey guys, rotisserie chicken quesadillas on the Blackstone Griddle. Make sure to stick around until the end. I'm gonna add a few more ingredients that you don't see here that are gonna make these quesadillas taste a lot better. If you're looking for an easy Blackstone recipe, this may be it. All right guys, time to fire up the Blackstone. While the Blackstone's heating up, let me show you the ingredients real quick. So in here I have one whole rotisserie chicken. I mixed in some rice and some corn as well. Here I have a Mexican cheese blend, some flour tortillas. I'm going to use some lime as well. I created a video the other day on fajitas and I used this Dano's seasoning. If you want to check out that video, I'll link to it above me. And I really enjoy the fajitas with the seasoning, so I'm going to go ahead and use it tonight as well. All right guys, I'm going to use some avocado on this left-hand side. Here's the Dano's seasoning. It's Dano's taco seasoning, but you can definitely use it on chicken for fajitas and whatnot. If I'm going to be honest with you, I'm not a huge rotisserie chicken fan. Most stores don't do it really well. So the reason, or my motivation for doing this, was to add some extra flavors with the corn and the rice, and doing it on the Blackstone with that avocado oil to kind of give that chicken breast that, for me, tends to be dry more times than not. Give it a little oomph, basically, make this recipe taste a little bit better. Plus, it's going to be smothered in some cheese and a flour tortilla, so I'm really looking forward to this. Guys, this looks and smells delicious already. So this right-hand side of the grill doesn't need to be so hot. I'm gonna go ahead and lower these down to low. So one thing I forgot, I usually forget something, but I forgot to put some lime. This is what I was saying earlier. A lot of times the chicken breast tends to be dry. So I'm just adding some ingredients that will hopefully give it a little bit more flavor, basically. All right guys, I'm going to use some butter on this side of the grill. I wasn't sure how many I was going to use, but there's 6 in the pack. So I guess I'll use 6. There's a lot of chicken here, a lot more than I would have thought. The rice and the corn definitely stretched it out a little bit. All right, time to put the cheese on. Guys, I'm just eyeballing this. If you want more cheese, of course, put more. If you want less, put a little bit less, but using a good handful for each one. Guys, look how good this looks. So one of the other reasons why I wanted to fill these quesadillas up is this is the only thing we're eating. I don't have any side dishes, so I wanted to get full off of the quesadillas themselves. So I went a little heavy on this first one. It's tough to see from this angle. And I put a little less in the rest of them. So these things look amazing. It's time to go ahead and take them off. Hey guys, if you want to see what I'm cooking up next, make sure to check out the next video.